Right guys, DCTMAKES here. This is the Cushman after the change of the coils and the spark plugs and the carburetor over to a Briggs 24 horsepower clone. So it's a 670 with a 24 horsepower clone on it. Watch the other videos to get to this point, but I haven't touched it for a week. It ran like a charm. This is what normally happens: get it fixed, come back to it, won't run properly. So I'm going to turn on and I'm going to put the fuel pump on, let the fuel pump power up, fill up the carb because I run it down to empty each time. Just hear the note change on the pump and we'll give it a whirl, see how it sounds. It's quite cold, so we'll give it a little tiny bit of choke. Here we go. And I smell fuel. Here we go again. Maybe it's because it's cold still. I put the fuel pump back on. Let it warm up a bit with the choke on. Sounds a darn sight better than the stock carburetor. Yeah, and it kills itself. Just bring up the revs a little bit. Stumbling. Just needs to heat up a bit. No plumes of too much gas like normal. It's just cold, I think. We'll give it a minute here. I've got my foot on the accelerator, by the way. Just trying to keep it alive here. I'm going to let my foot down, see if it'll idle. That's idling. Last time it's kind of raced away. I thought maybe the fuel pump or something overriding the flow. I don't know. Just odd. I don't smell gas. And we're firing on both. That was probably the coil issue. See if she'll spool up. Just gentle first off. See if it'll drop back down to idle, and it's going to kill itself. Oh, that's weird. Running better that it's warm. I'm going to give it a run around here. I would. Here we go. I think that is way more power than normal. I think I've got a I think we've got a little bit of tweaking to do. Well, took it for a drive round. A little bit hesitant on accelerator. That could be that I screwed in the jets in a little too far, but that's unbelievable for a 670 tick over. Just got to sort out the stumbling on acceleration. But I'll turn the fuel pump off, we'll see what we get. Because I stripped out the fuel solenoid pin, I always run it down and empty. It's got quite a large bowl on this one compared to the stock carb, so it probably is going to take a little while to burn down. I wouldn't say it's 100% fixed, but it's a darn sight better than what it was. And if you've got a 670, you know what I mean. Oh look, picked up. God, it would never normally do that. Okay, now it's out of gas. Hey, subscribe, folks.